So here we are in a Mazda 6, also known as the Atenza in some parts of the world. We're going to be removing the audio head unit. First thing you want to do is pry up on this instrument cluster surround, and you can do that by getting your fingers or a pry tool right under here and pull that up. You only need to get this part off just enough so that you can get your hand under this trim panel where the aircon vents are, and you want to pull this off. And then you're just going to pull this entire thing off, just work your way all the way down to the end. So once you get the aircon trim piece off, there's going to be an electrical connector right there, and that's for the hazard light switch. So you're going to have to undo that first. There's an electrical connector just on the back down here in this corner, and then that's the electrical connector I was talking about that's on the back of this head unit surround. And that's the little slot that it goes into there. The tab for it is on the top side, so you're gonna have to press down there and then pull it out, like so. Then to get the actual head unit itself out, I've got an aftermarket unit here. So for this particular one, it's not, you can see a bolt over there. You don't need to undo that for this particular one. I'm just gonna take off this screw and this screw, and the whole thing will slide out together with the two retaining brackets. And putting it all back together is just the reverse. You're going to put this panel on first, then the aircon trim, and of course you want to make sure you connect the electrical connectors as you're going along. So this one's connected already. In fact, it's actually easier to get to it when this trim panel, this aircon vent trim panel, is not in the way. And of course, you want to be careful when you're putting it back together. You have to get this underneath the instrument cluster surround. So you have to get that under there, press that on, and then finally get the instrument cluster surround pressed back in.